Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criteria 3.2.2 on input. Let's jump in. Success Criteria 3.2.2 ensures that when users interact with input fields or controls, it doesn't unexpectedly take them to a new page, open a new window, or move focus elsewhere without advance notice. To manually test for this, using only the keyboard, navigate through the page and interact with all input components. Change the value or setting of components such as typing into text fields, selecting options from dropdowns, checking checkboxes or radio buttons. Observe whether these actions cause an automatic change of context, such as redirecting to a new page, opening a modal or new window, or moving focus away from the control. If a change of context occurs, check if users were notified beforehand. For example, instructions next to the control indicating that changing it will submit the form or refresh the page. If no advance notice is provided for a context change, add a failure in ramp. And that's it for testing Success Criteria 3.2.2 using ramps, audit grid, and Chrome extension, ensuring predictable interactions build user confidence and prevent confusion. Now it's your turn. Test your site with Ramps Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.